Good afternoon, traders. It's Coach Alex, freedomtradingclub.com. Let's get right to the recap. Today is Tuesday, August 22nd, 2023. Here's our support and resistance that's published before the market opens, 7:55 a.m., all times Eastern. And you could see we were on the bullish side today, but our downside buying area was 34,410. We thought they had a better shot at getting to the resistance, 34,796, after the market opened. Remember, these are targets depending upon what the market does right after it opens. So you have to be aware of that. And you'll be surprised. Just write down this level because it comes in important later, 34,410. So if the market starts down, we're going to look for that. If it goes up, we're going to look for 796. So at 746, we had a double top that started down, couldn't make lows. And then as soon as it broke up there, we went long at 34,617. We finally got out at 647. The market had a buying climax, what we call high volume buyers, all the shorts covering, and then it quickly reversed. We went back short at 645 to 647 area at 8:12 a.m. All times are Eastern. First target we thought would just be at this first touch rule and go back up, but it kept going down. And very surprisingly, like I said, it started on the upside. So our final target was hit around 567, 65. Remember, this is what we have reported from our clients. We call the trades, clients follow. You want to see what they do, come and join us. So now the market dropped down. It was oversold. Looked like it was hooking up. We took a long there, 550 area, 552 at 913, again before the open. Some people got their first targets. I did not get my first target. And we pulled our original 30-point stop out, and we got stopped out around 531. So 2 winners, first loss of the day. Didn't let it bother us. Hopefully it doesn't bother you. And now the market opens. They pushed it down. And guess what, guys? At 934, it looked like they were going to push it back up. They push it down to get long. So the trend was still up at that time. And we went long at 498, 34,498 in this little W formation. Also, the inversión, Spanish for reversal trade, one of our methods. And this was a good one. Again, the trend was up. We got our first target at 530, and finally we got out at 564 area, 3 out of 4. And we waited until after the 10 o'clock reports or announcements, or usually a lot of activity at that time. So at 10:07, after the market tried to take out this resistance and failed and bounced up and down, and finally another hook down below the JTHMA, whole moving average, we took a sell stop short at 504 area, around 10:07 p.m. And guess what, guys? Remember that number, 410? Once we saw the market was failing, we took our first targets. We trailed our stop to above break even. And guess what? So once we got in there, our trailing stop was there. Got our first target. And we said, let's shoot for that 410. Look at that. Isn't that a cool trade? That's a runner, right? Around the 505 to 410 level, just about 100-point winner. And what did we take? Less than 25 minutes, right? That should be your day, but people wanted to stay on for longer, and we accommodated them. 10:48, and the market kept going down. But at 10:48, you got your double bottom there. The market doesn't want to go too much lower. Some short covering comes in. We have another inversión buy signal. We went long at this area right here, 399, 401 area. First target hit, 414, and finally we get out at this high level at 429 when it was overbought. And we would do one more trade before lunchtime at 11:39. Let's look at that rally. Again, this rally took out, we call that a fake out breakout. It took out that one, but it couldn't take out the next one and immediately gave it up. As soon as it dropped down on high volume, the area was, again, a sell stop short of about 433. We got filled at 431. There was slippage a little bit. Why? Because all of a sudden sellers came in there. And this one, we're getting ready for lunchtime. We thought 399 would be a great target. It bounced there a little bit, turned back down. We got our 399. We were done for the morning, except for those who want to hang around later. So guess what? We come back at 1:21 p.m. And again, the market is basing at 121. We had the low of the day and one tick below the low of yesterday. The low was 308. We went to 307 and immediately bounced up. A lot of times that fake out breakout on a daily works. So what we look at is somebody went short at the low of yesterday, thinking that they make a home run, and immediately it goes 20, 30 points against them. They have to cover. The shorts are trapped. We love these shorts or trap trade. So we go, this was 1:21 p.m. and we went long around 325, 327. I got filled at 331. You could have gotten a little bit of a pullback in there, and the market ran up to 356 on your first target right there. It pulled back to where we got in. Some people got back in. As long as we didn't get below that 306 sell stop area, we did run up to 388, 86 and got flat on that trade. So we had one more trade, 3:17 p.m. This one ran up very well. A number of people took this long. I did not. So we didn't call it an official trade, but some got this on this hookup of the momentum. They went long. However, once it exhausted, we got that sell signal at 425, and there took a 90 point on the end. About half of the room already was gone, but those who hung around got a 90-point runner at the end. And what an amazing day. One loss, but look how many great trades made up for it. Got to be willing to not let a loss rattle you and have the athlete's mentality come back. So again, we invite you guys to watch our clients trade and get these numbers every day. So if you're ready to take your trading to the next level, again, before you pay anyone a penny, visit us at freedomtradingclub.com. We offer coaching to give you the extra edge on your trades. That's all it is. If you're doing something good, we'll add to it. Our founders have called over 98,000 trades, guys, since 2006. We offer a live trading room where we aim to take just 2 to 3 profitable trades per day in the first 2 hours of the market. If you're ready to take your trading to the next level, subscribe to freedomtradingclub.com on YouTube, where we do post weekly videos. And again, a private coaching will give you the extra edge on all your trades. And I close with one of my favorite quotations from former Disney head Michael Eisner. Mediocrity is what fearful people will always settle for. Thank you.